Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove duplicates in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large data sets and need to ensure your data is clean and accurate without any repeated entries cluttering your spreadsheet. First, head over to your browser and type in workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, you'll see all your files and folders. Look through your recent files, or navigate to the specific folder where your spreadsheet is stored. Click on the spreadsheet where you want to find and remove duplicates. This will open up your sheet and you'll be ready to start cleaning up your data. Now let's focus on finding the duplicates first before we remove them. Start by highlighting all the data in your spreadsheet that you want to check for duplicates. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the cells, or if you have a large data set, you can click on the top left corner where the row and column headers meet to select everything. Once your data is highlighted, look at the top menu bar and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear with various formatting options. From this menu, click on Conditional Formatting. The Conditional Formatting panel will open on the right side of your screen. Here's where we'll set up a rule to visually identify duplicates. Under the section that says Format Cells, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and scroll down until you find Custom Formula Is. Select this option as it allows you to create a specific formula tailored to finding duplicates. Now you'll see a field labeled Value or Formula. This is where you'll type in the formula that will detect duplicates. Enter equals COUNTIF open parenthesis A1 colon A comma A1 close parenthesis greater than 1. This formula specifically looks for duplicates in the ID column, which is typically column A. The formula counts how many times each value appears, and if it appears more than once, it flags it as a duplicate. Keep in mind that you can adjust this formula based on your specific columns, rows, and conditions. For example, if your data starts in a different column or you want to check a different range, simply modify the cell references accordingly. Once you've entered the formula, click Done. Your spreadsheet will now highlight all the duplicate entries with the formatting you've chosen, making them easy to spot visually. This gives you a clear picture of exactly which entries are duplicated in your dataset. Now that we've found the duplicates, it's time to remove them. Highlight all the data again, just like you did before. Make sure you've selected the entire range where duplicates might exist. Next, look at the top menu bar and click on Data. A drop-down menu will appear with several data management options. From this menu, click on Data Clean. This will open a submenu with various cleanup tools that Google Sheets offers. In the submenu, click on Remove Duplicates. This is the tool that will automatically detect and remove any duplicate rows from your selected data range. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm which columns you want to check for duplicates and whether your data has headers. Review these options carefully to make sure you're removing duplicates based on the right criteria. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Remove Duplicates to proceed. Google Sheets will now process your data and automatically remove any duplicate entries. After a moment, a message will pop up showing you how many duplicates were found and how many were successfully removed. This gives you a clear summary of the cleanup operation. Finally, click OK to close the dialog box. Your spreadsheet is now clean and free of duplicates, making your data much more reliable and easier to work with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.